Yung cheese. So, karating lang na to. Yan. Electric stove. Accident. Camera. Technical problem. So, we need to figure out this. Fun! Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman dito sa aming channel. Welcome po sa vlog na ito. And Nyan fam, I just want to say thank you. Bago natin simulan ang vlog na ito, I just want to say thank you para sa lahat ng mga nag-comment last video natin. We really appreciate. Sinabi ko na kay Nancy yung munggo na matamis na yan. Now, maybe one day we will try yung matamis na yan. Kasi sabi ko nga kay Nancy, yung mama ko pag nagluluto ng munggo, nagtatabi yan, nagsiset aside yan para sa matamis after, no? Ganun yung ginagawa. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano gawin. So, magtatanong muna tayo sa nanay kung paano ba niya ginagawa. Yan guys, so salamat, maraming salamat. So, ngayong vlog na to, it's hapon na ako nag-start ng vlog. It's 6 PM na. Actually, lalabas ako, mamimili ako, mag-grocery ako ng konti. Kasi mamaya magagawa kami ng mga video, cooking with Nancy. Yan, pag-uwi niya from OJT. Tapos, mga bata, wala dito ngayon kasi nandun sila sa lolo't lola nila. At dun sila ngayon, since Saturday. Baka dun din sila matulog, no? Kasi mag-work kami ni Nancy after namin kumain. Yun nga, yung para sa masarap channel natin, no? And dumating na guys yung sinabi ko last vlog na in-order ni Nancy. Ito, sama-sama natin mag-unbox. Kakatapos ko lang maglinis guys at medyo nakapagod ng konti, but it's okay. Kalang guys ha, wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, so ito yung sinabi ko last vlog, no, namin ni Nancy na in-order niya from Amazon. Yung stove na kailangan namin for the video making natin for masarap, no? So karating lang na to. Yan. Electric stove. Natin, unbox ko na. Tapos mag-grocery din ako. Malapit na yung grocery, maglalakad lang. Okay, yan. Tignan natin kung okay ba itong nabili niya. Hindi ko kasi nakita to guys, siya lang umorder. Pag nakita ko na yung order niya. Order siya sa Amazon ko. Uy. Oh, okay. Kasi kailangan namin to guys para more comfortable tayo pag nagluluto para sa video, no? Ayan. Okay. Very nice, no? Ano siya? Yan, no? Kaming bagong brand new electric stove. Oh, yan, have this. Oh, medyo ano siya ng konti. Okay, anyway, let's see. Kasi para pag nagluluto tayo, kasi kung napaparoon mga vlog natin yung kitchen natin, it's nakaano siya sa wall, against the wall siya. So mahirap mag-video, no? Mahirap mag-top down or side other angles. So ginawa namin Nancy, kailangan namin ito electric stove para dito kami sa garage, sa studio mag-set up ng mga lighting, etc. Magluluto para sa mga tutorials na quick tutorials para sa YouTube channel natin na masarap, no? Iniisip namin palitan yung pangalan kasi ginawa nung kapatid ko yung masarap channel long time ago. I think siguro mga 7 years ago na or more. Masarap. So masyadong marami ng masarap na channel, no? And hindi siya searchable na. Nisip namin more channel name na more international, no? More pwedeng kahit sa sulok ng mundo madali siyang makita, no? Maybe English name. Alright. So yan, lalakad na ako guys. Mag-grocery tayo saglit. Let's go. Alright guys, so tara na. Lakad tayo sa mag-grocery. Naka-t-shirt na lang ako. Sarap. Init-init na. Ano na ngayon? 6:30 na ng hapon. maliwanag pa rin guys kasi summer na. Magsa-summer na. It's actually spring. Yan, pag yan yung groceryhan dyan guys, yan. Si Conte. Kung nakita nyo yung pula na yan. So aakyat ako dun sa taas. So guys, pag ganitong panahon, alam niyo ba, pag spring na, napakaraming insekto. Kaya dapat sarado ang mga bintana. Daw mainit na. Sarado ang mga bintana at may mga screen na para hindi pumasok mga insekto. Marami ng mga anong tawag dito, yung mga maliliit na termites, yung kulay pula ang tawag doon. Yan, dumadami sila pag spring. Yan sila doon sa labas namin, sa may garage, sa labas, sa may sasakyan doon, marami. Alright. So dito yung daan ko pataas papunta sa grocery. Yan dito. Yan, paakyat. So maganda dito sa amin, insekto. Yan o, may kagat na ako kagad na insekto. Namula. Dito sa amin, malapit lang ang pharmacy, grocery, and hospital. Nila sa taas. Hospital na malapit. Medyo makulimlim ha. Kanina maaraw, ngayon makulimlim oh. Ito yung grocery yan sa amin. Bahay namin dyan sa baba. Tuwid tayo, tuwid. Okay. Alright. Grocery ng konti lang kasi medyo mahal dito mag grocery guys. Medyo pricey. Hindi dun sa binibilan talaga namin ng mga needs namin. Mas mura ng konti. Kaya yung mga kailangan lang na binili ko ngayon. Yan, pababa na ulit dito sa Matarik. Yan. Bumili ako ng Nutella, bumili ako ng Biscoff. Matatamis. Nuntal Nancy. Sana din niya ito mapanood. Vlog na to. Okay guys, ito na ako sa bahay. Yan. Bili natin onions. Ito Biscoff. Yan. Nutella. Yan. Strawberry. Mga pampataba. Potatoes. Tinapay, paborito ko. Ito ay saltimbocca. Yan. Masarap to palamanan ng meat or ham. Kamatis. Avocado na hindi ako kumakain. It's for Nancy only. And some garlic. Yun lang yung pinamili ko. Yun lang yung pinamili ko. Ano na yan guys? 1,000 na yun. No, 1,200 na yan. Yun lang, konti lang, 1,000 na dito yan sa Italy. Okay, ako ay mag-exercise ng konti. So, whey protein at creatine. Yun ang aking pre-workout supplements. So creatine, ito araw-araw ko tong creatine guys. Maganda to sa muscles. Okay, konti pa. Kaya lang tong creatine guys, ang gagawin sa inyo ito, it's ihi ka ng ihi. At a little bit of whey protein. Yan. Tapos antayin ko lang ng si Nancy. So ngayon habang inaantay ko si Nancy, mag-exercise muna ako ng konti. Konti lang naman. Hindi naman yung pagod na pagod talaga. Yung saktong exercise lang. Alam nyo na guys, summer na. So dito, bawal ang naka-beach tas naka-t-shirt ka. Naku, pagtatawanan ka dito. No. Kaya at least pag summer, dapat medyo maganda ang katawan. Yeah, okay. 300. Lagyan na rin natin ng konting magnesium, potassium. Kasi yan. Okay. Okay, so ako muna yung mag-exercise muna. Yan fam. Hindi ko na i-video kasi. Pero mag-exercise talaga ako guys, hindi joke lang. Hindi ko na i-video kasi medyo madilim doon sa studio. So, yan, tayo ko lang si Nancy, no? Kayo, mag-exercise na rin kayo guys. Kung naalala nyo yung yung huling test ko sa blood test, medyo mataas ang cholesterol, no? So, yun. Kailangan mabawi natin yung cholesterol na yun. Kaya, kailangan magpapawis, mag-exercise, tsaka huwag masyado kumain ng fatty foods like mga karne, mga fat ng baboy, yan, cholesterol. Okay, see you na. Sì? Va bene, come vuoi.
Con la farina we can make two different ideas. Or we have one with the bread.
Va bene. Okay guys, so pauwi na rin si Nancy. So let's wait. Alright. Tapos na ako mag-exercise. Yan. And slow exercise, but it's good. For the chest. Chest. Okay. Yan fam. Finally. It's already late. 9 o'clock na ng gabi. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Kasi ang aming pagkain ay yung ibibideo namin today. So, yun yung aming pagkain. So, bago tayo makakain, kailangan mo na i-video. Yun yung aming bagong project, me and Nancy. Ang aming bagong pagkakabalahan, no? Kapag may free time, we will make some videos like yun, tutorials, short, quick videos. We actually uploaded 2 videos already sa Masarap. Short videos pa lang, and then we go on to the long form videos. And then we will see maybe more, I don't know. It's yun yung aming bagong pagkakabalaan, no? Pero hindi pa yun monetize kasi kailangan ipa-monetize ulit kasi nawala yung monetization niya. So kailangan, so guys, if you are interested with cooking, just go on at Masarap and then just follow or subscribe doon sa aming channel na binubuo ulit, no? Ito yung setup natin. Okay, so yan. Susubukan ko itong ito kung gumagana. Yeah, I think it's getting hot. Okay, so gagawa daw si Nancy ng sandwich, no, ng may egg fillings at saka later crepes, no. So yun yung ating video for today. So ito pang vlog ko, ito yung pang namin, ito yung gagamitin ko pang video kasi vertical pang shorts lang sa YouTube. Oh, it's hot na. Yan siya, nice. Yan, so ito yung gamit ko pang shorts lang since vertical lang naman yung gagawin natin. Yan. Oh. So yan guys, ang ating setup, no? Ito yung ako magko-control ng manual focus niya. So, wait, adjust these things. Alam nyo guys, mga napapanood nyo sa YouTube, mga video na ganyan, kala nyo napakadali lang gawin, no? But it takes a lot of effort and patience paggawa ng ganitong video, no? Like, yan. It's okay? Like this? Okay. No. So, okay guys, so ating gagawin ngayon ay tawag dito, what you do?
Egg sandwich.
Egg sandwich with some fillings. Yan, with egg fillings. Yan, so ito yung ating screen. Now I'm recording, So, manual kasing focus niyan guys, so kailangan ko kontrolin yung focus niya. Okay. Okay guys, so ngayon, start na tayo. Ready na daw yung, yes, ready na daw yung pan. So yun, go. So yan, nakita nyo guys, behind the scene yan Let's start again. Okay, go. I like the angle also. No, I mean the light. Because yung gawa namin nung nakaraan, guys, yung ginawa namin nung nakaraan, instead na against the light, andito si Nancy. Dito siya sa tabi ng ilaw. So, flat na flat yung kulay. So, this is more cinematic, no? Datingan. What's happening?
I don't know if it's working.
Huh?
I don't know if it's working. You think it's working?
It's cooking. It's cooking. Pero it's not so hot yet. The pan is not hot yet, so maybe we can make some.
Yes, but it's too thin, the egg.
I don't know. It's first time I use electric stove.
No, it's burning in the middle. It's not good.
Accident. Camera. It's too hot. Okay guys, wait lang Technical problem. So we need to figure out this one first. So take one. You have to take one. Do it again. I don't know how you do.
I change the pan.
I
change the pan.
Yeah. Okay, take two tayo guys. When you're ready, I record. It's not recording. Take two tayo, nagpalit kami ng pan kasi hindi okay yung isang pan. So, yun. Take two. I just record this. Okay. Kapag nag-fail pa to, we have to think a different way. So, we see kung kasi first time namin it's my first time to use electric how you say stove.
I go.
It's ready. Yes, it's recording already, so you can go when you want.
Yes, how would I know if it's ready?
Just.
You know what I can do?
Slow.
Okay, now you took this shot. Now I go in the pan, in the stove there. I cook it in the stove there.
You can do, yes.
You can't
Just to
like
see. You can do, but I think we should try this if it's good, if it's working. If not, we give back. We send back.
Working, it's working.
Would it turn?
Only our pan, the problem gusto sa general.
So, para kaming guys, hindi kami sanay gumamit ng electric stove.
See, this thing that it's making smoke, I don't understand why.
See.
You see, it's cooking and
It's cooking, but it's making smoke. I don't know. I think it's normal. So guys, What do you think? Para yan sa may mga electric stove dyan, paano ba to? Any suggestion? Yan, for our next video maybe. Sabi ni Nancy, baka lutuin niya dun sa stove, dun sa kitchen, just to see, no?
No, just to go on with the video.
Yeah, just to go on with the video and finish the video.
No, it's cooking.
It's cooking but very slow.
No, it's a bit too much oil, so it's really fried, but it's...
Okay. Anyway, we do what we can do. So yan, bagong lahat guys, mag-ano muna tayo, subscribe muna sa Masarap, and hindi pa kayo subscribe sa Nyan Family, please subscribe to the Nyan Fam, guys. Para ready kayo, para like kayong updated sa ating mga video, no?
Now I put the bread.
Okay, no. Put the bread.
Now we need to flip it.
Okay. Wow.
Okay. Now we need cheese.
Yan cheese natin, guys. Okay, so yan na yung aming dinner, guys, ha? Para di sayang yan na aming dinner. So, tapusin muna namin to, focus muna ako, and then see you in a bit, okay?
We don't need money, they can have it all. I don't need a lot as long as I have you. Ain't nothing better than you.
Okay, so guys, ito na yung ating...
Penso che... Cioè, non lo faccio vedere che lo gambo.
Okay. Good.
Ma questo secondo me non ci deve stare sul video.
I can zoom later, it's 3K. Go more up. Yes, basta. Yes. That's it. That's the shot. Kailangan natin yung cheese. Okay, we have already. Now you will try. Okay. So guys, yan, itatry na ni Nancy. So kailangan natin siya i-shoot ng itatry niya with this video. Okay, so kailangan natin i-adjust ang camera. Okay. Okay. Record. When you're ready, you're good to go. Okay. Okay, one more bite. Yes. Yan guys, so that's it. Our mini video. Ganun lang kabilis, no? Luto, then try. Luto, try. So nakita nyo na ang BTS ng ating videos, no? So yun. Patikin. Can I have? Just to try. I'm hungry.
It's a sour dinner.
Very good. Daming dinner. Thumbnail. 1, 2, 3. You have cheese. Yeah. Good. Tapos, nagawa pa kami yung isang crepe. Let's see kung mamanage natin. Pero yan na yung aming new project. So guys, kung may time kayo, please support us on That Masarap channel. Watch and subscribe. No? And then, kami ay kakain na, magdi-dinner, and then we try the crepes. You think we can manage the crepes? Huh?
I'll try.
Yes. And guys, any suggestion you can send to us in the comment down below. Any suggestion, anything that you are thinking how to make it better or whatever, please let us know kasi tapos na kumain si Nancy. At ako'y gutom na rin guys. Anong oras na? Mag-aalas 10 na ng gabi. No? Kasi today si Nancy mag-work sa umaga and then dumiretso siya sa kanyang OJT. Kaya dire-diretso kaya mga bata nandun sa kabila. How is the kids? How are the kids? Doon sila matutulog sa bahay nila. They sleep there. Yeah? Okay. So, thank you very much for watching.
Eat first.
Thank you. Thank you very much for watching. And then, see you on our next vlog. Very quick vlog lang to just to show you what we are doing, what we are busy of. Okay, so thank you and good night. Good night.
I can see.
Walang talamin. Good night guys, good night. Stop the recording. Good night.